this video, I will share with you how to delete your XM trading account. If you want to delete your account, follow me in this video. So guys, in this case, if you go to setting here. If you go to setting, you don't find any directed option to delete your account. So guys, basically all you have to do, click on the support team. From the support, click send a request. When you click send a request, for the subject, write this one, deleted account, trading account. For example, you can add a trading account, and then all you have to do when you click on trading account, write your on the message input, for example, hello there. So I want to delete my account. So guys, write your all details such your account number, and write your email address in this case. After write all details, from here just click send option, click on send option, and then write your email address to request an email from XM Broker support team. So guys, this is how you can do it. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this video, and don't forget, I declare that I have carefully and fully read it and understood the privacy and policy. Thanks for watching this video guys. See you on another video soon.